What if I have no money right now and I want to create online business? What will be my steps? What first thing I am gonna do? Hi, my name is Purushottam Hambarde and I have been helping people to become a digital coach and creating an online profitable business. If you're here for the first time on my YouTube channel, make sure you like this video right now. And if you're on YouTube, subscribe so that you will keep getting amazing valuable content for you. So here we go. What I will do if I am starting right now having no money. Number one thing I'm going to do is I will start watching webinars and workshops which people are doing it. Reason is, I know there are a lot of people who give a lot of value in the live webinars and the workshop, which will initially help me to understand business of people which they are doing already. Number one thing. Second thing, I will learn one skill, any skill which is online, which help people who are already doing business. Let's say, take an example, graphics and designing. Every digital entrepreneur or the people who are earning money online, they need graphics and designers. Second thing, they also need some support service people, maybe chatting messages and helping them as a support team, right? That also I can do. And also I can do one thing, I can learn copywriting. I can learn these skills which help the already existing entrepreneurs who are doing good online. And because of being part of their team, I will be learning something from them as well. This is what I'm going to do because I have to start working on learning and selling my skill if I have no money right now. Okay. And then if I learn and get some experience, I will try to teach people who are very close to me. I can reach out to some people on a Facebook group or somewhere. I can tell them, hey, I have been working with this person. I have been learning this from so many days and months now, and I have a knowledge which I can easily help you with. And if I help 3, 4, 5, 6 people, I will just ask them, give me a video testimonial. I will not charge them because I want to build a trust and belief, because trust is hard for any online or offline business. Once you earn that, people will pay you money as well. So I will do one thing, I will invest my one more month to guide and help those people, to give them an amazing 5-star experience of my knowledge. Once I do that, I will create an account on trustpilot.com where they can put their text review. Okay, and people can, if people search my name Purushottam Hambarde review, they will be able to find the Trustpilot reviews about me where people are sharing their experiences. Number one thing. Second thing, I will take their video testimonials. I will request them that this is the only reason I am helping you, because I want to get your review and help more people by building that trust. So once I get 3 to 4, 5 reviews and testimonials, I will start sharing them with more people to bring 50 people from these 5 testimonials. And it's possible if you invest 1 month, you can easily bring around 40-50 people who love to learn more from you. And I will be charging very less amount so that I will test and experiment if my knowledge is helping them or not. Let's say if I learn any skill, in my case, I learned video making skill in that phase and I started teaching that, and I got first 30-50 students organically and they enjoyed my program a lot. And I charge them only 2,000 rupees, which is very less, but I earn out of it around 1 lakh rupees. Okay, I saved around 50-60,000 rupees from that, and I invested 30,000 rupees in advertisement to reach out 1,000 people. Okay, from 1,000 people, 50 people purchased my program, and after that I invested 1 lakh rupees in advertisement, then 2 lakh rupees. I started getting more and more students. And now, if you see the current scenario, by the way, I was talking about how if I started, right? I started the same way which I told you right now. Okay, I told you my exact journey right now. And if I see my Facebook account today, I have invested more than 36 to 37 lakh rupees on advertisement. and generated over 1.4 crore right now. That's the way of going, my friend. The only thing is people are not ready to take efforts. The only thing is people are not willing to take that one step ahead, to go ahead and learn without any ego. If I lose everything right now, if my account gets zero right now, I have no problem to go and work for somebody. I can go and I can work for Digital Pratik, I can work for Siddharth Rashikar, I can work for Dev Gadvi, I can work for Webo Sisinti, I can work for Raj Shamani, I can work for all these people because because even if I lose my money, I know how much value I have, which can help these people who are already doing good. That's what matters, my friend. Please start building yourself. Don't worry about earning money or achieving a massive results in starting. Just think about making yourself capable person so that people can pay you money for that. Every time what we do is we dream about how much money I'm going to earn per month, how much package I'm going to get per year. Have you ever thought about how much value you're going to give per month so that you can earn money out of it? We never think about giving value out of it because that's what the programming happening from childhood. Please bring that change right now. If you have a goal of earning 1 lakh rupees per month, that 1 lakh rupee number, that earning amount is not a goal. That goal is for you to become a capable person so that you can earn 1 lakh rupees. Please don't mess up that. Goal is for you to become a capable person, not to earn that material stuff or that earning money. No. Okay, so I hope all the journey which I shared will help you to grow in your life. This is just a random talk I'm doing with you. If you want to know what's the time right now, it's 1:30 a.m. and I'm shooting here. It doesn't look 1:30 a.m. because I'm in a hotel right now. Whole day there are music and a lot of people are here. That's why I choose to be here in the midnight and shoot some videos, because this much I love to put in work and effort. I would have been sleeping right now with an amazing hotel, but I thought this looks amazing. Maybe this will give amazing experience to my people who will be watching me. And if I put some valuable thoughts in it, they get an amazing experience. So it's all about giving amazing experience to people. If you want to earn money online nowadays, it's called a knowledge business. And knowledge business is all about giving experiences to people of your knowledge. Okay? Lots of love. If you think in your life I can help somewhere, feel free to let me know in the comment box. Also let me know in the comment box, what did you learn from this video? Please don't just leave videos like this without putting comment. Why? Because when you type some comment, it will register in your mind. This is also one more mistake we do. Now I'm putting this much time in the midnight to give you some value, but if you're not even willing to put 1 or 2 minutes to write something about this video, then are you respecting this value or not? Okay? Please respect the value. Comment below. Share some thoughts. If somebody is reading the comment, maybe they will get value out of it. Always think about giving value, giving something out. Then you will start improving in your life, man. Okay? Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're enjoying this video. And I will see you in the next video with more and more value. I know not a lot of people will watch these videos because these are knowledgeable videos. That's why you have to share it. If it is entertaining, a lot of people will watch entertaining content. Okay, it is not entertainment, we have to share it. So please share this video with your best friend so that that person will get value if that person is starting right now. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. By the way, one last thing I want to share with you. If you are a person who wants to become a digital coach, by learning from my experience and the roadmap which I have created for you with 4 checkpoints, I do every Sunday workshop at 4 p.m. This video is not for promotion of that, but I just thought to share with you because we have to be a shameless self-promoter as well. We have to promote what we have if we are proud of that. And I'm proud of it because 11,000 plus people went through that. So that's why I'm inviting you to be there. It's just 99 rupees ticket. There is a link in my description in the first comment as well. Go ahead, check the page, understand everything. If you resonate with my knowledge and value, book the ticket and be there on a Sunday at 4 p.m. live. Lots of love. Take care. Bye-bye and have a great night from this beautiful place. If you enjoyed this place, also let me know in the comment box if you enjoyed it, okay? Bye bye. Take care. Lots of love. By the way, I will go and sit there right now. Okay, let me go here and sit. This is amazing place, by the way, to sit here. Wow. Have a great time. Bye bye.